welcome to another lesson on Tanny Teach. My name is Tanny Teach and I'm here to explain to you the new song of Justin Bieber with KEHLANI, Get Me. This is a very cool song to play. You see me here vibing with the song. So let's tag along and let's learn this song together. So this song is very easy to play. You only need 3 chords. But first, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and be happy as fuck. Let's be happy, because that's the important thing. So this song may seem hard because of the chords, but the chords are very easy and you can do it 1,000 ways different. My English just flew away. So let's go. The first chord is an F sharp minor 7. Whoa, careful, big name. No, don't worry. So to do this chord, you only need to cover all the strings with a fret, with your finger, just like this, okay? But it's easier this way, John Mayer way, or it's easier this way as well. So you're going to put your first finger in the 2nd fret of the 6th string. You're going to put the middle finger in the 4th string of the 2nd fret as well, the 3rd finger in the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and the pinky will go on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. And you're going to pull the 6th with your thumb. Your first finger will be on the 4th string. Your middle finger, don't do that to people. So you're going to put your middle finger in the 3rd string, and your ring, your matrimonial ring finger, you're going to put in the 2nd string. And it sounds like this. Sorry, my bad. So you're going to play F sharp minor 7, and with this shape, never take it out, because it's going to be very useful for the rest of the chords. You're going to do this movable shape to the 4th fret. Exactly, sounds amazing, right? And now you're going to go all the way to the 9th fret. Oh, okay, I don't know how to sing the song because I only listened to it twice. But let's go. Very easy. You also can play this song here if you enjoy it better. Without a capo, with a capo, you can put the capo in the 2nd fret and play an E minor, an F sharp minor, and then a B minor 7. So this is how to play Get Me by KEHLANI. I hope you enjoy it. If you really enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I need your support. Like this video and comment Justin Bieber is back. I'm joking. Comment your Instagram and I will follow you. So let's be friends.